Hello and welcome back to Budget Noob. Today we're going to be adding on to our budget over here in a new column. We're going to list all our expenses. So these are going to be our recurring expenses, our subscriptions, your Netflix, your Amazon. You're going to start by making a different column. I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger and make it a different color. And being that I was aware of tracking things like rent and phone and Celsius, for example, I was spending a lot of money on. Uh, Being aware of these high expenditure items like Celsius and cigars, I put them over in this category so that I could see a percentage of my total income that I was spending on these things just to get a comparison because information and awareness is power. So we'll get to the comparison of percentages later. But as we go down this list and we list things like drinks for going out, or laundry, or clothes, or Uber, you're going to get a complete list of everything that you spend money on: car insurance, car repairs, your savings, even if it's zero, or 401k, even if it's zero. You can add these categories in, and at the bottom, we're going to sum these in a total sum box. I did skip a few boxes here at the bottom to mirror what I have on my personal budget, but I'm actually going to go ahead and add those things in. And you can see here that I am able to highlight and then cut and copy and paste and move these items around so that I can add things in that maybe I forgot. So as you go through your list, you can make sure that you're covering absolutely everything and play with this as you go. The cutting and pasting is not showing on the screen because of how it screen shares, but ultimately it's just a little icon where you hit paste, and if you need to just delete and retype the box, you definitely can. At the end here, I'm going to highlight these and make the column a little bit bigger because one of those categories was a little large for the column when I started. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight these and make it a different color. And I'm going to go ahead and create borders for this. You can also center these items. I think I'm actually going to end up putting them back all the way left, but you get the idea that you can play with this and make it your own. This is a little bit longer video, but ultimately it's going to set your basis for how you're going to track everything that you do here in Excel. So, thank you again, as always, for watching and taking responsibility for your money and your own budget. We cannot, as individuals, understand how to save money or here save 10 or 15% of your income if we don't know how much of our income we're spending and what 10% even is. So, thank you again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll continue making these short videos so you can go step by step, one day at a time, if that's what it requires, to do just a little bit to get yourself on the way to having a personal budget.